different companies which come here are such as the big four. We have PwC, EY, KPMG, and other big huge companies that come for placements. Hello everyone, my name is Anushka and currently I'm pursuing my masters in business administration in a flagship program here at University School of Business, Chandigarh University. So I'm here to tell you about and brief you actually about the placement drives conducted at University School of Business. First, let me tell you the highest package which I have recently heard about is one is of 16.42 lakhs which has gone for a girl and the company is Federal Bank. Other than this, other packages are like 14 to 15 lakhs for South Indian Bank, and there are other companies coming here. Now, if I tell you about different companies which come here are such as the big four, we have PwC, EY, KPMG, and other big huge companies that come for placements. Now, if I talk about the core or mass facilities focused upon, so I believe that the placement department over here is focused on both on your core or mass hiring. It depends upon your skills, and of course everyone should be placed. So for that it is balanced equally. Now if I talk about how well the placement cell is working, well, they are very active. They provide you with internship opportunities, and of course placement opportunities are there, but of course at the end they provide you with every basic things which can help you, be it with your attendance, be it with good companies and maintaining those good relationships. Also, University School of Business has a separate department itself which is focused upon your interview skills, upon your quant skills, aptitude skills, which focuses and makes you positive, and also gives you that confidence that you can crack different interviews. So this is the basically brief about how placements here at University School of Business works. Now talking about the internships, whether we have to find the internships or the university will provide its internships, it at the end of the day completely depends upon you. If you want from university, there are top companies, good companies which come for internship opportunities such as Nestle India, the Times of India, these are some of the companies. Other than this, of course, you can go ahead and look for your own companies or the companies you want to work for as an internship opportunities. Now talking about the eligibility, कि आपको कितनी CGPA चाहिए या फिर attendance चाहिए. CGPA minimum देखिए आपको 6.5 या फिर उसका around depends करता है companies के ऊपर. But then again at the end of the day आपके skills is something which carries an important role over here. So that is not something not to be worried about. And talking about your attendance, again, minimum attendance is supposed to be maintained in all the lectures and everything. Baki rest, it's all chill. Thank you.